Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own supplements, full guide. Start by sourcing quality ingredients and measuring precise dosages that match your personal goals. Learn simple formulas, mixing techniques, and basic calculations to scale recipes safely. I will cover labeling, storage, and basic safety checks so your supplements stay potent and predictable. Stay warm and curious as we walk step by step through a practical home compounding routine. I will explain how to make your own supplements, full guide. Start with a clear target dose and pick compatible ingredients that support that goal. Use spreadsheets or formula cards to calculate per serving amounts and scale up to your intended batch size. Balance actives with fillers and excipients for even distribution and stability. Follow simple checks and a pilot run to verify texture, taste, and potency before full production. In this video, I will explain how to make your own supplements, full guide. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy learning new skills, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading guides anywhere and taking notes between batches. If that sounds useful, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. I will explain how to make your own supplements, full guide. Begin mixing by sieving powders and using consistent agitation to ensure uniformity. If encapsulating, choose capsule size based on your per-serving milligram totals and use a filling tray for consistent counts. Learn simple techniques for blending liquids and oils if creating soft gels or tinctures. Finish by checking weight consistency across samples and storing products in a cool, dry place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.